Hey guys, Emilio from Bambi Baby, and I bring to you the #1 infant car seat by far, in my opinion. This is the Nuna PIPA Lite RX. This is an infant car seat that brings absolutely everything to the table. It brings you a fully vented canopy to allow airflow. It gives you a full sunshade privacy screen with magnetic holders, which is really, really nice. It's a one-hand operated release from the base, and the car seat comes up. It does come with a premium relax car seat base. But let's talk about the inside of this car seat and all of its wonderful features. Number one, it gives you a lockout handle all the way on the outside. Bring up the canopy. I can tuck it in, zipper it closed, and conceal it if I wanted to. I can flip the canopy back, and it has a no-thread reharness. So as the baby grows, all you have to do is pull on this little ring and it adjusts all the way up. That's a game changer in an infant car seat. It also, if you notice, these buckles have not moved. The reason being, it's got magnetic buckle holders on the outside. So it stays wide open. This is magnetically attached, so now the car seat is always wide open. You have a full infant insert which comes out. It's all Merino wool, flame retardant. And then for those of you with a great eye, have noticed it also has the ability to run a seatbelt through here. So yes, this PIPA Lite R can be used in a second vehicle, taxi, or Uber without necessarily using the base. The seatbelt runs through here, around the back, use the shoulder strap, and it locks in. And are you ready for this? This car seat only sacrificed 1 pound. It's a little over 6 pounds. Infant car seat, fully EPP, memory lined entirely. The entire shell is memory lined. The reason for that is you don't know when you're going to get hit or in which direction, so the entire shell is protecting the baby, not just around the head support. So with a no-thread reharness, magnetic holder, EPP foam, Uber or taxi friendly, this is the ultimate infant car seat.